This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, welcome. Uh, Thanks for checking out Oracle Ride YouTube channel. I hope you are liking my series which I have started. Excuse me. Three session I have uploaded. Now today is the fourth session. So today I will discuss about installation related things. So as we know that before installing we need to check server hardware. So for minimum RAM should be 1 GB for Oracle database installation, and at least 2 GB is recommended. But that is actually for server related RAM actually they are talking about, because generally in laptop you should have 8 GB RAM to install properly 19C, and you can install in 4 GB also, but it will take time actually. And for grid installation, Oracle recommend that 8 GB RAM is required. And for server configuration, you need to 1 GB RAM for temp directory. And swap space will depend on your RAM size. If your RAM is between 1 GB to 2 GB, then the swap size will be calculated on the basis of 1.5 into the size of the RAM. That value will be your swap size. And if your RAM is between 2 GB to 16 GB, then the size will be equal. So suppose if my laptop RAM is 8 GB, so my swap will be 8 GB. Okay. So let's begin with the checking. So if you want to check about the memory of your system, so free is the command where it will tell you what is the memory and what is the swap. So already I have installed, so that's why these two value is coming. And about temp directory, before going to temp directory, I will check how much physical RAM we have. Specific command, so that is grep mem total proc mem info, so that is 8 GB. And if I talk about swap, so generally the command is same, only the swap total will be the grepping, and proc mem info is the same file and location, so that is more than 12 GB. And about temp directory, I said it should be 1 GB. So that is df-h and temp. And if you want to check all partition, then you say df-h. So you will get all these partitions. So basically, I have allocated everything to root actually mostly. So 34 GB I have allocated to root. And excuse me, then shared memory is also should be properly mounted and with sufficient space. So df-h command display the file system on which dev shm is mounted. So let me show you that command. So df-h dev shm, so it is mounted on tmpfs file system, so that I said. And also what is the architecture of your system. So the if you want to know everything, so that is uname hyphen a. If you know the machine, that is this uname hyphen r, that is related to version. Okay. So like that we have so many combination for that. So uname is the command which verify the architecture. So here my architecture is 64-bit, my laptop architecture. On that software we installed Linux, so that is this. And so that's it. So this is a short term note which is very important before going to installation of Oracle 19C. So that's it from my side. Thank you, and thanks for subscribing and joining our community. And if you want, you can share with your colleagues so that they can also check our premium content. So thanks again for being here, and happy learning. And my principle is keep learning and sharing the knowledge.